Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Calendar extensions and add-ons. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So what are the add-ons? Add-ons are the additional applications or features that help you uh, make your Google Calendar experience more smoother and easier. So to access the add-on, you will click on this settings menu here, and in the last option here you can see get add-ons. Okay, so you will click on this one, and then this new window will appear here. Okay, so this is the Google Workspace marketplace, where you can find variety of apps that you can install with your calendar, and it will basically make your experience more smoother. Okay, so let's suppose that if you want zoom let's suppose that if you want zoom here, let's suppose if we just click on this view more option here, and now basically if you want zoom here, for maybe that your calendar requires zoom, or maybe you have a very huge team and you want to basically schedule meetings with them, then maybe you need zoom for it. So you will just click on zoom here, and then here you can see that you will click on install. And zoom for Google Workspace needs your permission in order to start installing. So now then you will click on continue here, and then you will basically sign in with your account. Okay, so basically just sign in with your account here, and then here you can allow it basically. And now what this will do, this will basically install it. Okay, so we just have to wait here. Zoom for Google Workspace has been installed. You have successfully installed a Google Workspace add-on. Zoom for Google Workspace has been added to your calendar here, so you can basically access it from this menu. So you will just tap on done here, and now here it says uninstall, and now you will tap on this, and now here you can see that we have this zoom add-on. And now whenever we want to zoom with our calendar here, we will just click on this one, and then zoom will be opened up, and then you will basically sign in with your zoom account, and then you will be able to use zoom in your events, and you can basically start meeting as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.